Montana's.
Yes. Yes. They all call him. My subliminal advertising. They all call him because I think the diamond is what you like to hear. The diamond part.
Is this place even open?
Yes, it is. Of course, it's open.
Then where are all the cars?
It says open right there. Means we're gonna have the whole place to ourselves.
What's up, Montana's?
They all call him Diamond.
I'm gonna get a little snack. So Kat, do you ever use those coupons? So if you get an A&W coupon, let me know. I want to use it with you. Yeah, what is it? Let's go.
I'm gonna yell, go signal your handler again. Let's go get that guy, the guy that was there.
Exactly.
This guy, here, over here.
Do it. Did you get him?
Yeah, got him.
I high beamed him too, huh? I high beamed him.
Good.
Oh! I even got it right on the dash cam. This is gonna be great.
Did you see my hand signal I did?
Yeah, I did. This is gonna be great. We're gonna actually have a lot of like.
What was his reaction when I was going like this?
Yeah. Look at the red car. That's a perp.
So did he look stupid? Like, did he look at you?
No. He looked really stupid. Completely stupid.
And what's he waiting for over there?
The guy was a real dum-dum.
So what was he waiting for?